So the first thing that you want to do if you want to start streaming on Trovo is actually get started with setting up your account. Best thing to do is go to trovo.live, and when you open it up the website here, you'll see, of course, all of Trovo's goodness. You'll have the listing of recommended over on the left hand side, and you also have a boost space, which we'll get into later. Events, if there's any events going on or are going to be scheduled within the next couple weeks or so. You also have a trending page, which is a trending title or trending streams. But the first thing is to actually get started with an account. What you want to do is go up to the upper right where it says log in, sign up. Go ahead, click on that. And what you want to do is go ahead and sign up by inputting email or a phone number. You want to set up your username that you want to use within the Trovo service. Also, go ahead, put in a password that you want to use and enter your date for your birthday, year. And after you get all this filled out, go ahead, click sign up. Now, what's going to happen is you'll get an email to verify your account just to make sure. So you want to check your email that you have put in this spot here is a valid email that you have complete access to. So once you're done with the verification process, you're going to go ahead and I'm going to log in here real quick. So what you're going to do is after you logged in is you have a little bit, things have changed a little bit. You'll notice on the bottom left is what's called your Trovo space. This is technically your space that lives within Trovo. It contains your live streaming room, your chat room, and a Discord like feature that you can set up completely customizable to that you set up yourself. So let's go ahead and go into my space here. Yep, make sure I'm muted. I'm gonna go ahead and pause that so we don't get any inception going on here. So I went ahead and set everything up. I have channels or chat channels that are available to anyone who wants to come in and join or be part of what you can call your customized name for your space. My space is called the Waffle Hut. I have that throughout all of my socials. I have the Discord set up as the Waffle Hut. The Trovo space is set up as the Waffle Hut and everything else like that. So yeah, that's the basis for setting up your account. Now, if you want to learn how to start up a stream or get your stream settings taken care of and ready to go ahead, click on this video that's popped up right there, and I'll walk you through on how setting that up as well.